Welcome to Crash Override PC Repairs replacement of the Dell INSPIRON 155567 LCD. You'll want to have a little metal pry opening tool and a nylon spudger and a small Phillips screwdriver. You'll want to disconnect the power from the battery before doing this. Place the laptop on the LCD and rest the keyboard area against your chest. Use a small metal pry tool to pry open the bezel on the top corner of the screen. Once you've got a little bit of room, you can use the plastic nylon spudger. Gently pry it open along the edge until you feel it snap out. Once you've done this, it should come off nice and easy. On the four corners of the LCD, as indicated here, 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 and here, there are screws. Remove these 4 screws. Once you've removed the 4 screws, you can place the laptop back on the bottom position and gently pry the LCD away from the case, either with your fingers or the nylon spudger. On the back side is a small LCD connection with a little flip-up gate. There's also a sticker holding it in place. Use a hairdryer or something to warm up the sticker so the adhesive comes off easier when prying it away. Gently pry the sticker away so that you can access the gate, open the gate, and pull the LCD cable out gently. Remove the old LCD. Get yourself the new LCD. And replace the LCD cable very gently. Make sure it's in there snug and then replace the gate, securing the LCD cable in place. Then replace the sticker. Once you have done that, you can gently place the LCD back in the top portion of the casing, aligning the holes. Once you have aligned the holes, you can replace the 4 screws, securing the LCD to the case. Once you have the 4 screws back in place, you can replace the bezel by snapping it into place by pushing along the edges. Once you've replaced the bezel and pushed in all the edges, your repair is complete. Thanks for for watching. Crash Override PC repairs replacement of the LCD on the Dell INSPIRON 15.